you can do stuff like this in your spare time. Oh yeah. When you pump these up, there's a certain right way and a wrong way to pump these up, and if you don't have one of these, you're never going to blow it up. And what you want to do is, when you usually get a ball like that, you're going to get a pump, something like this, and it's got a tip. See how much bigger this is than a regular needle? If you get a needle to blow up a basketball or a football, you've got the wrong needle. You've got to get one of these and save this for next time you need to blow up your bouncy ball. Now the trick with this ball is to try to get this little deal out, and if you don't have strong fingernails, you might not be able to pull it out. You might have to loosen it up a little bit, and you could even take a hammer handle and pry that out carefully without messing up your ball. I think, yeah, okay, there it is. Now I just put that in there and pump this up. And I may have to do this 2 or 3 times to get the right amount, or pump it up a little bit further than I think, and then I can lessen some of the air, whatever. But this is how you're going to pump it up, just with this little pump. Do I need a license to have fun like this in the morning? I'm not sure if that's enough or not. I guess I could leave that in and sit on it like this and then check it out. I might need to go a little bit further. Hold that at an angle even, and then check it. I guess I don't want to pump sideways like that because I don't want to mess my back up. Just something silly like that. And I'm sitting here thinking about my computer and sitting at the desk, and it looks like I'm pretty straight. In fact, I might be just a hair up too high. I'm not quite sure. Oh, come on. Okay. Put the little thing in. All right. Another reason why you want to put a little bit too much air in there. And if you think you're not just right, I guess I shouldn't have pushed that all the way in. I should have held it out just a little bit so I could pull it out if I needed to. Okay. Now I can sit here. I think I'm looking pretty level now. And I feel like I'm up a little bit higher. This is going to help me with my back as I'm sitting there. Let's go try it out here real quick. Okay, no funny business. I'm going to just leave the camera going, I guess. Bring this back in here. Let's just try this out. No funny business. This is going to help me sit up straighter, so I you know, it's almost impossible to lean back on here or slouch when you're sitting on a ball like this. And then you can kind of move around a little bit, you know, bounce on it maybe just a little as you're sitting here. It gives your whole core something to do, and I think I'm going to like that. It'll remind me to keep my back up straight. I might want to put my little back lumbar support on. I was told the other day, it's not a back brace, Joe. It's a lumbar a back lumbar support, what I use all the time with my nail bag or that other little stretchy one, a lumbar support, not a back brace. Back brace keeps your back from moving around and it just keeps it stiff. We don't want that, do we? Okay, see here? I think I'm good to go. Let's try this out here. I'm up just about right. I kind of like this. Okay? So try that when you have a bad back or after a back injury, let's say, to strengthen your back. And actually, you know, even if you don't have a real issue with your back, try getting one of these balls and sitting at a desk. I haven't seen this in offices where people have them at their cubicles and they don't even have their chairs, or maybe the chair's pushed in the corner or something, and 3 or 4 people have these balls, you know. So I think it's going to be a good thing.